Imagine making $1,000 a day by simply using Instagram. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, for some savvy individuals, this is their reality. Welcome to the lucrative world of Instagram affiliate marketing, a realm where your earning potential is only limited by your creativity and dedication. So what exactly is Instagram affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's a way to earn money by promoting other people's products or services on your Instagram account. When your followers click on these promotional links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. It's a game changer for those looking to diversify their income streams. And with over 1 billion active users on Instagram, the potential for reach and revenue is enormous. So, whether you're a seasoned marketer or a social media newbie, there's room for you in this arena. Stay tuned to discover how you too can tap into this potential goldmine. As promising as it sounds, the journey to successful Instagram affiliate marketing is not without its challenges. Now, before we dive into solutions, let's first take a closer look at some of the common hurdles beginners often face. One of the most daunting tasks for a newbie is building a solid following. It's one thing to create an Instagram account, but quite another to cultivate a community of engaged followers. This is because Instagram is a platform that thrives on visual appeal and personal connection. It's not just about posting content, but about posting the right content that resonates with your target audience. When you're just starting out, it can feel like you're shouting into a void, with likes and followers trickling in at a snail's pace. This can be discouraging and often leads to beginners questioning their strategy, or even giving up entirely. Choosing the right products to promote is another common challenge. With a myriad of products available, how do you choose the ones that will not only appeal to your followers but also generate sales? It can be tempting to promote products with high commission rates, but if they don't align with your brand or your audience's interests, they're unlikely to convert into sales. This mismatch can lead to wasted efforts and can even damage your credibility with your followers. These challenges, while common, can have a significant impact on your affiliate marketing success. Without a dedicated following, your promotional efforts may go unnoticed. And without the right products to promote, even the most engaged audience won't convert into sales. These hurdles might seem formidable, especially when you're just starting out. But remember, every successful affiliate marketer was once a beginner. They too faced these challenges and found ways to overcome them. So don't be disheartened. But don't worry, these challenges are not insurmountable. We have the solutions right here. So, stick with us as we navigate these obstacles together and pave the way towards a profitable Instagram affiliate marketing journey. Firstly, let us tackle the challenge of building a following. This task may seem daunting, but with the right strategies, it's more than achievable. So, how do we grow an Instagram following? Well, it starts with having a clear understanding of your target audience. What are their interests? What type of content do they engage with? Once you've got this figured out, you can tailor your content to appeal to them. Creating high-quality, relevant content is a surefire way to attract and retain followers. But it's not enough to just create great content. You need to engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your posts, interact with other users' content, and be active in your community. Engagement is key to building a loyal following and creating a sense of community around your brand. Now let's talk about optimizing your Instagram profile for better visibility. Your bio is the first thing people see when they visit your profile, so make it count. It should be clear, concise, and give people a reason to follow you. Also, consider using relevant keywords and hashtags in your bio to improve your searchability. Next, consistency is key. Regularly posting high-quality content not only keeps your current followers engaged, but also attracts new ones. Try to post at least once a day, and at times when your audience is most active. Instagram's insights can provide valuable data on the best times to post for maximum engagement. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of Instagram stories. They are a great way to engage with your audience on a more personal level and provide a behind-the-scenes look into your brand. You can use stories to promote your affiliate products in a less salesy and more authentic way. Building a substantial and engaged following on Instagram isn't an overnight process. It takes time, effort, and consistency. But with these strategies, you're well on your way to growing a following that will drive your affiliate marketing success. Remember, a large and engaged following is the backbone of successful Instagram affiliate marketing. Now let's dive into the art of choosing the right products to promote. It's an essential step that can make or break your affiliate marketing success on Instagram. But how do you go about it? The first thing to remember is relevance. You need to promote products that are relevant to your audience. If you've built a following around fitness, for example, it wouldn't make much sense to start promoting gardening tools. The key is to understand your audience, know their interests and preferences. This way, you can choose products that they'll find useful, interesting, and worth their money. So how do you find these products? There are numerous affiliate marketing platforms out there. You can sign up for these platforms and browse through their wide array of products. Look for products that align with your audience's interests. Pay attention to the product's quality, its reviews, and its reputation in the market. Remember, you're not just selling a product, you're recommending it. This brings us to the next crucial point: trust and authenticity. As an affiliate marketer, your strength lies in the trust you've built with your audience. Your followers value your opinion and they trust your recommendations. So it's important to maintain that trust. Promote products that you genuinely believe in, products that you would use yourself. If you endorse a product just for the sake of earning a commission, and it turns out to be a dud, you risk losing your audience's trust. And once lost, trust is not easy to regain. Also, it's good practice to disclose your affiliate relationship with your audience. Be transparent about the fact that you earn a commission when they make a purchase using your link. This not only maintains trust but also complies with the guidelines set by the Federal Trade Commission. In conclusion, choosing the right product is not just about picking something that sells, it's about aligning that product with your audience's interests, maintaining their trust, and being authentic in your recommendations. Choosing the right products is key to making your audience click that affiliate link. Now you might be wondering, does this really work? Let's look at a success story. Meet Jane Doe, a regular girl next door who decided to take a leap of faith with Instagram affiliate marketing. Starting from scratch with no followers and no experience, Jane embarked on her journey. She began by choosing a niche she was passionate about, then started sharing quality content that resonated with her target audience. With consistent effort, her follower count started to grow. Jane didn't stop there. She strategically promoted products that her audience would love, fostering trust and credibility. She engaged with her followers, making them feel valued and heard. Before she knew it, Jane was making $500 a day. But Jane didn't rest on her laurels. She refined her strategies, tested new ones, and soon, she hit the $1,000 a day mark. Jane's story isn't unique. There are countless others like her. If they can do it, so can you. So, we've covered the potential of Instagram affiliate marketing and how you can overcome the common challenges. It's clear that Instagram affiliate marketing offers a lucrative opportunity for anyone willing to put in the effort. We've dissected the initial hurdles you might face, such as building a follower base and choosing the right products to promote. Remember, the key is to engage with your audience and provide them with value. Success won't come overnight, but with persistence and the right strategies, you can reach your goal of making $1,000 a day. We've also shared an inspiring success story of someone who started from scratch and is now reaping the rewards of their hard work. Let that be a testament to what's possible with Instagram affiliate marketing. Now it's your turn. Start your Instagram affiliate marketing journey today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and share your own experiences in the comments.